guys, how you doing? It's Henry, and Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. This is another ADIMO security safe with touchpad digital combination. Let's open it. Now that we've unboxed it, there's a little kit here. And over here are the pads where you put on the bottom. Here are some emergency keys. This one has a dual key, a master key, and an emergency key type format. I'll show it to you in a second. Holy cow, look at the amount of keys it's got here. Incredible, right? These are expansion screws for you to mount it onto a wall or a table or somewhere where it's not easily removable. This is an emergency power box. You put 4 AA batteries in here. In case the batteries die inside there for a long period of time, you can connect this to the very bottom of the touchpad and get access to the keypad and be able to open the door. But with all these emergency keys, you're not going to have that problem. Let's try these keys first. So check this out. Here, you would slip this open and you would slip in this ADIMO emergency master key and turn it horizontal. Then over here you push down and there's a magnet lid comes off. You slip the round one inside and you turn it like that. Then you could turn this. Now that it's open, look at the inside. Beautiful brown color finish, which I'm really intrigued about because I like brown. You can hang your keys here, your keys that are very important to you. And as you can see, this has, what do they call these things? These things pop out to lock. Even on the very bottom too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locks. When you turn it, all 5 come out and lock it up. Inside here, you have another set of keys. This is for your cash or super, super important items, which you can put your cash or your guns in there, or your jewelry. Over here's the battery box where you'll put 4 AA batteries. To remove the battery, the lid comes off like that. And you put the batteries in. So I just set my password. You touch it, light up, press that. And there we go. Oh, very easy to use. You could also just use your master key and or your regular key, turn it, and you can get in. If you turn this to the vertical position, you have to use the master key and your secret code. See, you have to use your key also. A lot of safeguards. But I like to just use the key. So we'll take that out, close this, put that there, let it light up, star. If you enter the password wrong 5 times, an alarm sounds until you enter the correct password. So like I said, with the ADIMO case, safe, you can put your cash and guns in there, more cash and guns in there, and other valuables in there. Lock it up with a key. Close it up. And only you know the combination. You could also use your master key, the emergency key. It's a beautiful safe. Let's put the floor pads on. Adhesive, rubber stopper. Put them on the four corners. Like I said, if your battery died after you haven't changed the batteries in many years and the battery's dead, you could always do an emergency battery case where you put the same 4 AA batteries in here. There's a little cord and it goes right there. There's a little notch under here. Nobody knows it. You plug it in and now this is powered. So then you can enter your code and get back in there again, or you can use your keys. Fantastic. I absolutely love it. The ADIMO brown safe, 2.5 cubic inches of space, and it's fantastic. Feels secure. Put all your jewelry and your valuables in here, and also your guns, so that only you have the right to go in here, and nobody can pick up your guns and maybe an accident. Keep the guns away from children or undesirables. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's ADIMO safe video. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.